Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we will unbox the Mini GT Porsche 911 GT3 R from the 2023 FIA GT World Cup. Comes from the HubAuto Racing team. Let's take a quick look around the box. Okay, so as you can see, this is an official licensed product from Porsche. Is there anything interesting around the box? No, other than this Mini GT logo. So let's unbox this. I know this knife is a bit rusty. I will buy one soon probably. Okay. Okay. Here comes the car. Let's take a look at the details. Before I do that, I must say that I am a huge lover of Porsche. So this piece I was eagerly waiting for. Finally got my hands on one, and let's see. Okay, let me get my pointer. And yes, guys, this is just a toothpick. So what do we have here? We have the Cooler Master logo. We have the Pirelli logo. Okay. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, we have some details here. Okay. Okay. Looks like kind of a footrest, but I know that's not a footrest. Uh, guys, take a look at the tires. Usually you don't get that much details, right, on the tires of a Mini GT model. Here we have the tire logo Pirelli, and also it is like, what to say, there is a highlight here as well. Nice, this highlight looks nice, I will say. And same goes for the rear one as well. Okay, and as you can see, the wheels roll nicely. Yep. Let's take a look at the front. Okay, let's take a look at this from this angle first. Okay, nice carbon fiber details. We have the HubAuto logo. Okay, some company logo. Okay, we have the Porsche badging here. Can I take it closer? Okay, that's the best I can do, guys. I will say it looks nice for a 1:64 model. Definitely, it looks nice. Okay, we have some logo that I don't know. Okay, yes, the Cooler Master logo, of course. If you guys are into computer peripherals, definitely will know Cooler Master. Let's go to the top. Okay, we have the number 27 here and here as well. Okay, which I guess is the driver number. On the windscreen, guys, we have the wiper details. That is a nice touch. Let's quickly take a look at the back of the car. The rear lights, right, looks really nice, I will say. Yeah, I love it. Hopefully you guys do it too. Again, we have the Cooler Master logo, the HubAuto logo, okay, and the exhaust. One thing to note, guys, I guess you can see it in the camera. So the exhaust, right? So they are hollow. Okay, so they are not just what to say. They are not closed. They have a hollowness to it. That's a nice touch, and they have painted it with silver lining. It looks nice. We have some carbon fiber details here as well. Yeah, it definitely looks good. Let's quickly take a look at the bottom. Okay, no details here, so it's plain, which is a bit of a letdown, I will say. I was expecting some details here because overall this casting looks really nice, right? But anyway, that is not there. You can't get everything, right? Let's take a look at the wing. Let me check at the rear. Okay, under in the underside. Okay, nothing there. Okay, on the top we have the HubAuto branding. Okay, let me zoom out. So guys, like if you're aware, right? So there is a green one of this model as well, right? So but there is a key difference between this one and the green one. I will tell you what's the difference between the two. So there is just a minor detail. So if that matters to you, so stay tuned till the end, and then you can maybe make a decision on which one you should go for. So okay, for the mirrors, yes, the mirrors are rubber mirrors, as you can see. No reflective stickers on them. Okay, and they are painted, which is a nice touch. Sometimes we see that missing in mini GTs, right? So yeah, that's a nice detail, guys. Like this color looks really really nice. Like I will say on the camera, it looks a bit towards the lighter side, but to my eyes, it is a deeper shade of purple. Yeah, so I will say this one is a great casting by mini GT. Let's just do a quick roll test. Okay, I will say it rolls nicely. Yeah. Did I miss something? Oh, okay. Let's take a quick look at the headlights. Let me zoom in. Okay, I will say the details are all right, I guess. All right. Nothing too fancy. I will say it's all right. Yeah, that's the casting. Let me know, guys, what's your thought if you're going to get this or not. And guys, if you are enjoying such videos, please drop a subscribe to the channel. It makes me extremely happy. Now, okay, before I go on rambling, let me tell you the key difference between this model and the green one. Here, guys, you see, right, this tire details. Let me again zoom in. So this tire details, right, this yellow markings and all, and the red marking here for the rear one. So this is actually missing in the green one. Okay, so if that is a deal breaker for you, definitely go with this model. This has everything. I know that color looks lovely as well, but yeah, I know for some of you guys the tire markings really matter. So just letting you know, if that's what you're looking for, this is the one you should go for. Yeah, that's all from this video, guys. See you guys on the next one.